Kemal Kaygisiz, who is in the capital, N'Djamena. Ambassador, good to have you on TRT World. The WHO has warned that the continent, Africa, could be the worst hit by the coronavirus. What is your impression on the situation in the country that you are serving, in Chad?
Thank you for having me. I can say that COVID-19 pandemic arrived to Chad relatively late. The first case was declared on 19 March. As of today, a total of 687 people was tested positive and 61 people died so far. Fatality rate is relatively high and around 10%, yes. And
I was wondering if you sort of talk to us about, Mr. Ambassador, I was wondering if you could sort of talk to us about Turkey being on the forefront in providing medical aid to not only to Chad as well as to the Democratic Republic of Congo, but as we just mentioned, nearly 80 others around the world, and especially in poor countries. Why is it so important for Turkey?
Since the inception of COVID-19, Turkey has proved its strength and capability in dealing with the pandemic. And it's obvious that Turkey has almost controlled the pandemic and stands out as a successful country in the fight against the COVID-19. And Turkey, while dealing with coronavirus at home, has sent medical equipment to more than 80 countries so far. I can say that as Turkey, we feel responsibility to give a helping hand to those countries in need. And the majority of the least developed countries is in Africa, and Chad is one of them. And with Turkey, we have historical ties, and these ties are not new with the African countries. And as a helping hand, we are showing our solidarity with the African countries and also with Chad.
Okay. Chad, it's a country that is already suffering from extreme and severe poverty. When you add the potential dangers that have put forth by COVID-19, how does it look? What's the outlook like?
Actually, the fatality rate is relatively high. But the country adopted a proactive stance in the face of this pandemic, and the government imposed certain measures. Among the measures taken by the government are the closure of the airports to all flights, night curfew, closure of markets, restaurants, ban on social, cultural, and religious gatherings, and so on. But in a nutshell, since Chad declared its first case after a relatively short period, without any case, there has been a steady increase in confirmed cases. And the pandemic is also affecting the country in economic and social terms. And the country is needing medical aid because the healthcare system is very weak, and the government has called on the international partners and Turkey and requested help.
Okay. Ambassador Kaygisiz, I'm afraid we're going to have to leave it there. Pleasure to have you on and for your analysis. Thank you.